Welcome back, dear friends, to Learn Gujarati with Fun Dialogues.
Hi, how are you?
Namaste. કેમ છો?
I'm good, thanks.
હું મજામાં છું. આભાર.
What's your name?
તમારું નામ શું છે?
I'm Emily. You?
હું ઇમલી છું. અને તમે?
Nice to meet you.
તમને મળીને આનંદ થયો.
Nice to meet you too.
મને પણ તમને મળીને આનંદ થયો.
Where are you from?
તમે ક્યાંથી છો?
Are you on vacation?
શું તમે રજા પર છો?
One day, a man was drowning in the water.
એક દિવસ એક માણસ પાણીમાં ડૂબી રહ્યો હતો.
The boat came by and said, "Do you need any help?"
એક બોટ આવી અને પૂછ્યું, કોઈ મદદ જોઈએ છે?
No, thank you. God will save me.
ના, તમારો આભાર. ભગવાન મને બચાવશે. And dear friends, I have a good news for you that I have created Telegram and WhatsApp channel for daily Gujarati learning. So don't forget to follow both of the channels. I have given those QR code over here. You can scan and follow both the channels. So quickly follow my both the channels by scanning these QR codes and get daily dose of Gujarati learning. ખૂબ આભાર my dear friends to watching this video. We'll meet again with a new video. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.